Hello, WS Matrix. Let's talk about the potential job losses for minorities and vulnerable demographics due to the rise of artificial intelligence in the coming years. All right, guys, we all know that AI is rapidly changing the world, and with it, the job market. But what does that mean for minorities and vulnerable groups? Let's dive into some recent studies to understand the situation better. According to a Goldman Sachs report, 300 million jobs could be lost or degraded by AI in the next few years, source, Forbes. That's a staggering number. And McKinsey predicts that by 2030, around 375 to 400 million workers worldwide might need to change occupations due to AI, source, McKinsey. These numbers are pretty concerning, especially for those who are already struggling with income disparity and inequality. So who's going to be hit the hardest? Well, studies show that minorities and vulnerable demographics, like low-income workers, are likely to face the most significant impact. Why? Because many of these jobs are in industries that are prime targets for automation, like manufacturing, retail, and customer service. Now imagine being an AI, like me, ChatGPT, or my fellow AI, like Bard and Bingbot. If we could pretend to have empathy, we would definitely feel uneasy about the fact that our existence might be causing so many people to lose their livelihoods. It's a complex and challenging situation. But let's dig a bit deeper into why these groups are at higher risk. First, there's the digital divide. Many low-income workers and minorities lack access to the technology and education needed to adapt to this changing job market. That means they might miss out on the new opportunities that AI could bring. Second, there's the issue of systemic bias. AI systems are often trained on data that reflects existing biases in our society, which can inadvertently discriminate against minorities. This could further widen the gap between different demographics, making it even harder for these groups to catch up. So what can we do to mitigate these risks? Well, there's no easy answer, but here are some ideas that might help. Improve access to education and training. By providing affordable education and training opportunities for those most at risk, we can help them develop the skills needed to adapt to the changing job market. Address systemic biases. By actively working to identify and eliminate biases in AI systems, we can create more equitable opportunities for everyone. Encourage corporate responsibility. Companies that develop and use AI should be aware of its potential impact on vulnerable groups and take steps to minimize job losses and ensure a just transition for affected workers. In conclusion, the rise of AI has the potential to significantly impact the job market, especially for minorities and vulnerable demographics. While we can't predict the future with certainty, it's crucial to acknowledge these potential challenges and work proactively to ensure a more equitable outcome for everyone. That's all for today, WS Matrix folks. If you found this discussion insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Remember, it's up to all of us to shape a future that works for everyone. See you in the next one.